Tens of thousands of people will get arrested in America today. Most of them will say something that makes everything worse. They'll answer questions they didn't have to. They'll waive rights they didn't know they had. And by the time they realize their mistake, it's already in the police report. Here's exactly what you'll know by the end of this video. What happens at each step of an arrest. What you should say. What you should never say. And the rights that protect you the whole way through. This is Your Legal Edge. Let's start with the arrest itself. The moment those cuffs click, you have rights. In most states, the officer does not have to tell you why you're being arrested, though many do as good practice. If they want to question you, they must read your Miranda rights first. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Here's what most people get wrong. They think being polite means being helpful. They answer questions trying to explain themselves. But every word you say becomes evidence. The only words you need are these. I am using my right to remain silent. I want a lawyer. That's it. Say nothing else. Now you're taken to the station for booking. They'll take your photo. They'll take your fingerprints. They'll take your personal items. In most states, you get at least one phone call. Some states give you more. Call someone who can help. A family member. A friend who can find you a lawyer. Don't call to vent. Call to get help. During booking, they may ask you questions. Your name, your address, basic information. These are routine booking questions. You should answer them. But if they ask about the crime, stop talking. Those questions require your lawyer present. Now here's what happens next. In most places, within 48 to 72 hours, you go before a judge. This is your first court appearance. This is sometimes called an arraignment or initial appearance. The judge will read the charges against you. You'll enter a plea. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Almost always plead not guilty at this stage. Even if you think you're guilty. Here's why. Pleading not guilty gives you time. Time to get a lawyer. Time to see the evidence. Time to build a defense. You can always change your plea later. And it is very hard to take back a guilty plea later. Now let's talk about bail. Bail is money you pay to get released. It's a promise you'll come back for court. The judge sets the amount based on the charges, how serious they are, your criminal history, whether you're a flight risk. If you can't afford bail, you have options. A bail bondsman typically charges around 10%. The exact amount varies by state. You pay them. They post a bond with the court for the full amount. If bail is set too high, your lawyer can fight it. Some charges qualify for release without bail. Ask about it. Now you're out. What happens with your case? Your lawyer will get discovery. That means all the evidence against you. Police reports, witness statements, videos, everything. Your lawyer reviews it. They look for problems. Did police follow the rules? Was the arrest legal? Is the evidence solid? Many cases get dropped or reduced right here. If your case moves forward, you have options. Plea deal, trial, each has risks and benefits. Your lawyer will guide you through it. But here's what I need you to remember. The biggest mistakes happen in the first hour. Talking too much, explaining yourself, consenting to searches, signing things you don't understand. Everything after that is damage control. So, if you remember nothing else, remember this. Stay silent. Ask for a lawyer. Let the system work for you, not against you. This is not legal advice, but it is legal knowledge. And knowledge is power. Subscribe, because knowing your rights starts here.